Good evening, students. Today we will learn the cross multiplication method of linear equation in two variables. In this method, we can directly use the formula of cross multiplication method to find the value of variables x and y. But today I will explain how we get or derive the formula of x and y to find from the given equation. So all of you now please look at it. Cross multiplication method of linear equation in two variables. Suppose we have given a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. And a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. This is the general form of the two equations. Now, by doing the elimination method, first we have to find the value of x. So, we eliminate the y. In the elimination method, we have to learn, हम लोगों ने क्या सीखा था कि अगर y को eliminate करना है तो y के दोनों इक्वेशन में कोफिशिएंट को मुझे इक्वेट करना होगा और उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे y का जो सेकेंड इक्वेशन है उसमें कोफिशिएंट b2 से इक्वेशन 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. नाउ मल्टीप्लाइंग द इक्वेशन बाय b2 एंड मल्टीप्लाइंग द इक्वेशन 2 बाय द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. इट इज b1. Okay, then we can write here b1 into a1. It is a1 b2 or into x plus here b2 into b1 into y, so it is b1 b2 y or plus b2 into c1, so it is b2 c1 is equal to 0. Suppose this is equation third. Now multiplying the second equation by b1, so now b1 into a2x, it is a2 b1x plus b1 into b2y, so it is b1 b2y plus b1 into c2, so it is b1 c2 is equal to b1 into 0 equal to 0. Suppose this equation is equal to 4. Now subtracting the equation 3 and 4 we get, so now we change the sign of the equation 4 here. It is positive, so it becomes minus. It's also minus. Now look at it. Here b1 b2y and b1 b2y, it is cancelled out. Now we take x as a common here. So what is left? a1 b2 minus a2 b1 into x plus b2 c1 or minus b1 c2 is equal to 0. Now we move b1 c2 and minus b1 c2 into the right hand side. So it becomes a1 b2 minus a2 b1 into x is equal to, when it goes into the right hand side it is b1 c2 and it goes into the right hand side it is negative, so b2 c1. Now move a1 b2 minus a2 b1 into the right hand side into the division side. So this is the formula of x to finding the value of x. With the help of cross multiplication method, we can directly put the coefficients of the given equations and find out the x. Now look at the next one. अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, x के कोफिशिएंट को इक्वेट करके y और x को हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एलिमिनेट करेंगे. So now again all of you please look at here. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now we multiplying the equation 1 by a2 and equation 2 by a1. So a2 into a1, it is a1 a2x plus a2 into b1y, so it is a2 b1y plus a2 into c1, so it is c1 a2. Suppose this is equation 5. Now a1 into a2x, so it is a1 a2x a1 into b2y. So it is a1 b2y plus a1 into c2. So is equal to c2 a1. a1 into 0 is equal to 0. Suppose this is equation 6. Now subtracting equation 6 from 5. Now we take here the negative sign. It is also negative and it is also negative. So here this one cancel out. Now we take y as a common. So what is left? a2 b1 minus a1 b2. a2 b1 minus a1 b2 into y plus c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 0. Now move c1 a2 and minus c2 a1 into the right hand side. Therefore a2 b1 minus a2 a1 b2 into y is equal to c2 a1 minus c1 a2. Now move this one into the right hand side. Therefore y is equal to c2 a1 minus c1 a2 divided by a2 b1 minus a1 b2. Now we take minus common from the numerator and denominator also. Then it is changed into c1 a2 minus c2 a1. And when we take from the minus sign from the denominator, it is a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now minus minus cancel out. This is the standard form or standard formula of the y to finding the solution of this equation. So these are the two formulas. With the help of by the cross multiplication, we should find the solution of the given equations directly. So this method is called cross multiplication method. Students, इस मेथड के साथ अब हम लोग नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज को डायरेक्टली x is equal to this one and y is equal to this one इस फॉर्मूला को यूज करके सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो नाउ you will try to solve the next exercise. If you have any problem, then again I will explain. Okay, good evening to you all. Have a nice evening to you all again.